Okay guys, I'm down in the garage again. I got another one of those mats fastened to my table here, and I've got my 1/4" compression bit in there. Today I'm going to carve a 1/2" socket organizer and everything, and even put my Craftsman torque wrench in it. So let's begin carving. Okay guys, I've got the 1/2" carved out here. Let me make sure a few of my tools fit in it before I take it out. Okay. Okay, I believe I'm pretty good. So let's put it in our toolbox. Okay guys, I've got the 1/2" socket carved out and everything. I've done this one a little bit different. I carved it all the way through the mat, and I found these foam mats here. They're fairly thin. I found them, if you can see that, I found them at Hobby Lobby. I think Walmart might sell those too. So I cut them to fit in the bottom, so that way we can see what's missing. So let me put my sockets in there. Okay, you can see I've got some missing. I don't think I have these two right here. I'm going to buy a couple more because they are handy to have on hand. I think I've got another extension bar. I just got to find it, and I'm missing a 3/8 socket down here. I'll have to look for it too. This is another way we can make one of these organizers for a tool chest out of these Harbor Freight anti-fatigue mats, plus these little mats that I got at Hobby Lobby. As always guys, thanks for watching.